Honorable MLA, Sri Bachi, Dr. Srinath, Professor Manti, एवं प्रिय भाई और भोनी माने, समस्त नमस्कार. I am delighted to inaugurate the Bachi Sri Shankar Cancer Center and Research Institute here. This institute signals a new era in quality and affordable cancer care in Odisha and in fact in the entire eastern India. I am informed that the center will be able to provide cancer management to 1/3 of the cancer patients in Odisha. I thank the Bachi family and Sri Shankar Center for this truly compassionate initiative. My government is consistently focusing on better healthcare provision for people. Over the last 2 decades, Odisha has emerged as the medical care destination in the entire eastern India. New medical colleges have been opened in different parts of the state. Primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare systems have been strengthened. Doctor and paramedic posts are being filled up on a regular basis. This year alone, about 4,000 doctors have been recruited. The Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana has become a benchmark for health protection schemes across the country. MA5T initiative Day, Sabu Hospital Road, Niti Bhumi Rupantar, Korajaushi. Ama Hospital Yojana, improved infrastructure or quality healthcare. Soito, Roging Attendant Banko, Subida Kutusti, Diajauchi. Viveka District Cancer Treatment by Madhya, Robusta Korajauchi. Ame Samoste, Cancer Bari, Rogo, Kusure, Sochitano, Heba Jaruri. Our lifestyle could change Koriba Jaruri. Ame Samoste health, lifestyle maintained, Kole, Cancer Tharu, Rutre, Durure Rui, Pari, Samoste Susto, Rene, Amro Susto, Odisha, Sukhiru Saro, Sapno Kuru Koi Paribo, Bande Utkarkan.